song that I'm going to sing tonight was recorded by Hank Williams in 1951. It reached the top of the Billboard charts, #1. And it's one of my favorite songs that he has. And I just hope I do it a little justice. I too am a student at Conservatory at Ozarks. I'm 81 years young and looking for another 20. Okay.
3, 4, 1.
Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. Go to pop and the dancing's free. You wanna have fun, come along with me. Say, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Saving all your time for me. No more looking, I've been tooken. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with leaves, 'cause I'm writing your name down in every page. Say, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? George, Dwight, without him, I can't do this. Okay, here we go again.